Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today on a 99 Ford F350 two-wheel drive. Gonna do the first cold start. Got down in the 30s last night, and we're gonna see how this old girl starts up after all the work. Wait to start lights on. Do that. Holy smoke, look at that oil pressure. Everything comes up nice on her. Yeah, boy, she's running smooth. Yeah, there's the miles on her. Still a very young engine. She runs good. Go outside here. Yep, she turned out great. This is the original air filter box that I found for her. She sounds great. Yep. Absolutely no smoke whatsoever out of that tailpipe. Boy, when we first got her, she was bad. This truck's a really clean truck. You know, it's a seasonal run truck, and he puts it up for the winter. She turned out great. Ready to go back into the fleet for a leaf pickup. Yep. Everything just, it runs out great. Oil pressure is really right up where it belongs. It's nice. Drove it around quite a little bit, and man, she ain't had no problems whatsoever. No smoke, no nothing. She's ready to go back into the fleet. So y'all have a great day. See you all around, and be safe out there. Thank you very much. Bye.